When it comes to increasing the value of your home, many homeowners focus on big-ticket renovations like kitchen remodels or landscaping improvements. While these updates can certainly add appeal, one often overlooked improvement that can yield a significant return on investment is window installation. Installing new windows in your Jennings home not only enhances its appearance but also boosts its functionality, energy efficiency, and overall market value. Here's how upgrading your windows can make a difference in your home's value. Enhanced curb appeal. The first impression of your home plays a major role in its value. Curb appeal can significantly impact how potential buyers perceive your property, and new windows can be a game changer. Old, worn-out windows can make your home look outdated and in need of repairs. On the other hand, modern windows can instantly refresh your home's exterior, giving it a sleek, polished look. Whether you choose traditional, double-hung windows or contemporary casement windows, new installations can align with the aesthetic you desire, making your home stand out in Jennings' competitive market. Energy efficiency for long-term saving. In today's eco-conscious world, energy efficiency is a hot topic among homebuyers. Windows are a crucial factor in a home's energy performance. Older windows often allow drafts and heat transfer, making it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This inefficiency leads to higher energy bills as homeowners rely more on heating and cooling systems. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you can drastically reduce energy costs. Modern windows feature advanced technologies such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas filling. These features help prevent heat from escaping during winter and keep your home cooler in the summer, which is particularly valuable in Jennings' hot summers. Not only does this make your home more comfortable, but it also demonstrates to potential buyers that the home is well maintained and energy conscious, which can increase its appeal. Improved home security safety is a major consideration for most homebuyers, and new windows can play an important role in providing peace of mind. Old or damaged windows may not provide adequate security, making it easier for intruders to break in. New windows come with improved locking mechanisms, shatter-resistant glass, and enhanced security features that can make your home safer. Homebuyers are more likely to pay a premium for a property that offers strong security features, and installing high-quality, modern windows shows that you've invested in their safety. For buyers with families, or those who live in neighborhoods where security is a top concern, this added feature can significantly increase the attractiveness of your home. Noise reduction. Living in a noisy environment can quickly take a toll on a homeowner's comfort. Whether it's traffic, noisy neighbors, or the sounds of the local community, excessive noise can create a stressful living situation. New windows, especially those designed with soundproofing qualities, can significantly reduce noise intrusion. When you install high-quality windows with double or triple glazing, they help block out external noise, creating a peaceful sanctuary inside. This feature is especially appealing to potential buyers who may be looking for a quiet retreat away from the hustle and bustle. In a competitive housing market like Jennings, every little feature that enhances comfort can give your home an edge. Increased property value. While the aesthetic and functional benefits of new windows are clear, the financial value they add to your home is also significant. According to home improvement experts, homeowners can often expect to recover a large portion of their investment in new windows when selling the home. This return on investment, ROI, is particularly noticeable in a housing market like Jennings, where homebuyers are constantly looking for properties that offer long-term value. When you consider the improved curb appeal, energy savings, security, and comfort that new windows bring, it's easy to see why homebuyers would be willing to pay more for a home that has these upgrades. Additionally, modern windows are often seen as a sign that a home has been well maintained, which is an important factor for buyers seeking a home that won't require expensive repairs in the near future. Tax incentives and rebates. In addition to the direct increase in property value, installing energy-efficient windows may also make you eligible for various tax credits and rebates. Many federal, state, and local programs offer incentives to homeowners who make environmentally friendly upgrades to their homes. These programs can help offset the cost of window installation, making it an even more attractive investment. Conclusion: window installation is one of the most effective ways to boost your Jennings home's value. Not only does it enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase security, but it also helps create a more comfortable and quiet living environment. For homeowners looking to sell, new windows are an investment that can deliver a high return. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to improve its long-term value, upgrading your windows is a smart choice that will pay off in both the short and long run.